Geal an réamhlóidí Robert Emmet a chrí dá ghrá Sarah Curran leis an bróiste álainn fíneálta seo a ra cruth cláirsí air. Bhí ar Sarah an bróiste seo a chatha bhíilteacha a clóca, tuis go raibh an ngrá coscithe.
It's lovely to think, I suppose, that there is an object extant and surviving that's representative of that relationship between Robert Emmet and Sarah Curran.
Tá sé fíorthábhacht ó thaobh an ngrá a bhí ag Robert de Sarah agus an ngrá a bhí ag den tír. Tá scéal Robert Emmet isteach in san bróiste slún ar fad. Mar írsmí, mar ceangad leis an stair, mar ceangad leis an caiidmh, mar ceangad leis an tumantas a bhí aige, tagan chuilead le chéile in san siombail beag son.
Rugú Robert Emmet im lá clia I 1768 I ggóthaic na réamhlóidí Mheiriceá agus Eorpach. Chuair sé seo hibhaimir má bhuachalóg.
Ireland was very much a colonial asset of England. The political makeup of the country was quite simply that 3% of the population, landed elements of the established church, the Anglican Church of Ireland, ran virtually 100% of the politics. So nonconformist Protestants and adherents of the Catholic faith, who represented more than 80% of the national population, had no political rights whatsoever.